DrBattles.com, where competition lives.
Hi everyone, my name is Frost, and I'm here to tell you how the franchise team license works. The franchise team license is for organizations that have multiple teams representing them. For example, Cloud9 and FaZe Clan are franchise teams. They have multiple competitive teams which compete on multiple games and regions. Each team essentially falls under the franchise umbrella. Each franchise is allowed to have as many teams as they want, but are limited to one team per game type per region. The reason for this is to help prevent monopoly situations. Having a franchise team license also gives you the ability to host your own community chat, so you can hang out with your supporters. And if that wasn't enough, you get to have your own media library. That way, all of your YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook videos are all in one place, and they still receive the view count for its original platform. Through the media library, you can upload original content and control who sees it. For example, you can make pro lesson videos that only your paid subscribers can view. In addition to the videos, you will also have the ability to post news articles. The best part about this is you can get maximum exposure by selecting to post your content on the global stream. This is why Dr. Battles is here. Everything is designed to help your organization grow. So stay tuned and good luck.
DrBattles.com, where competition lives.